Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday, and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Go to the website, which is thecontrolroom.xyz, and right there you can join our Discord group where we participate in live Zoom trading all the time. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice, but look where Bitcoin is. So we just keep knocking on the door of this 65 and we just can't get through. So our last video, I said I was very, very bearish, max bearish, bears are in control. And you can see now we've come up here and made a lower high. We've compressed here under supply. And what we just did last night, a little push up to sweep the highs. And now today we're rolling over. So it would not surprise me if we can turn around from now in the next 12 hours, turn around and come back and get that liquidity we just created. We could dump a little further. So I'm positioned short. I'm still positioned short from here the other night when I put in the, or here the other night when I put in the video. And I think we can continue down. So first target here is 62,658. Next one down is 61,6. We can move further down then. And I'm looking at the 58 if we're going to keep going. So with this lower high in play on the higher time frame, yes, we're holding the MAs. Volumes run out, so there's not much pushing either direction, to be honest. But this is in line with our bearish sentiment from the other day. You can see we're in a nice little trend up here, which is part of this bigger trend down. Some might say that, if my mouse works, some might say that this is a trend line and we've broken it and we're pushing up. But where are the buyers? Where are the buyers? We need to come back here and get that liquidity for a start. But if we do hold that and bounce, that will be awesome. We'll continue upwards. So there's both sides of the story on the table here. But right now, this vector is the first target. So, and you can see we're just swept the highs. Now we're rolling over and coming to complete the task. And that's get the liquidity. Now, if we go down a time frame to the 1 hour, how it looks on the 1 hour is we've gone up and we've made that high. We've failed to make a higher high and continue this little trend here inside the bigger time frame. So we've pulled up here. We now have a lower high and we are rolling over. And it's just a nice consolidate here, sweep the highs, stop out all the shorts, come down, make some more liquidity. It'll probably pop back up here. And that's what I'm thinking heading into. If we drop much further today, I think we'll pop back up here just before CME opens, a couple of hours before Asia tomorrow. It's another 14 hours away. 15 hours away, sorry. And then we can start to make our way down. But you can definitely see we made a lower high and we're starting to roll over. Doesn't mean we can't come down here and make a higher low and bounce up higher. Because if we look out, you can see all these other moves that we were talking about. We trended up nicely here. We've got about 8 or 9 really nice, smooth moves, which you haven't seen for ages. And now to the downside, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good trading moves. And I just think we're starting to roll over now. So that could be it for this leg. I hope it proves me wrong and I hope it goes up. That would be awesome. But right now, we just trade what's in front of us. And right now, we've hit a brick wall here at 65K, and that supply is what's stopping us going anywhere. And we took this one out, printed another one straight away. So go down to the 15-minute if you're looking for entries now. I'm positioned short, like I said, and on the lower time frame, this is where I've entered, and I've taken another entry here. When was that? Just before I went to bed last night, and I've also taken another entry. 11 o'clock. That's me there. So I took another entry there. So I've got a few positions running on this just to protect the entries. If one gets stopped out, the next one's still there instead of adding too early. So I do want to see it come down here. If you wanted to take a short, you could do a small short with minimal risk. And that's what we teach in the control room, is how to control your risk. That's a really good trade, actually, from there to there. And that's TP1. So that's really tight stop loss with a decent sized position. But understand that you could be leaving yourself open to the liquidity grab that I'm talking about to come back up here and capture the liquidity that we've just made from the weekend. So that's the 3 time frames. If you wanted to take a long, if you're looking to long, where can it bounce? It could bounce here. Really nice trade. Really nice trade. There's a vector candle sitting under here, so you might want to wait for that sweep. That's still a decent. Oh no! If you waited for the sweep, that's a decent trade, 5-1. Pretty happy with that. Where else could it bounce? It could bounce down here, and this is where our system comes and works with the create, liquidity grab, retest, go. If you want to learn all about that, don't forget to join our Discord group. You do that through the website. And come and trade with us live. And we've actually got 9 modules to complete to understand our system. If not, I think we're just going to keep tumbling down. And like I said, 62, 63, somewhere around there. And that's just the start. You can see that we're stacking demands, taking out supplies. Now we're starting to stack supplies and take out demands. And that's given us our higher highs and higher lows. Beautiful transition here. Maybe we're getting a transition here now. And like I said, I still think it'll come up a bit. So don't fall victim to go long and get trapped out until we break an area around that 65. We need to push through there. That's what's stopping us. Okay, so I don't have anything else. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Trying to grow our member base, and every subscriber helps, guys. So we'll catch you in the Zoom room, hopefully, after you join the Discord. Have a good day. Bye.